And boom, people. All right, I got my Subaru back here, but now I notice it makes this noise only when it's cold. The brand new alternator, the only other thing I can think of is this power steering pump. That's the only other thing that's spinning. I listen more, sorry it's hard to tell. Yeah, more back here. Sorry, it's really hard to see. But more back here, in the back of the motor, it sounds like it's more in the front. Sorry, it's very difficult to see. But anybody got a clue as to what that could be? Hit me up.